Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is the 1967 GTO with a 400 under the hood, hooked up to a 5-speed, rotisserie restored, looking absolutely sweet as can be. Take a nice close look at this beautiful GTO. You can see all the chrome up front is all highly polished, looking brand new. All the stainless is looking good. All the lights are looking amazing. I mean, everything about this car is just absolutely beautiful. I really love the color too. It's like a champagne color. It's got a light metallic in it, looking sweet. The emblems look great, and when you look down the side of the car, she is straight as an arrow. Somebody knew how to run a sanding block. I tell you what, they spent a lot of hours on the body work on this car, making it look sweet. Of course, the rocker emblems are looking good. The doors fitting nice to the front fender and fitting nice to the quarter panel. We got great looking chrome on the handles here. And check out the interior. Everybody knows black is my favorite color on the interior, and this interior is looking 1967 new. She is beautiful. We got seat belts in the front, we got seat belts in the rear, package trays looking good, headliners looking great. We got great looking dash pad. The wood on the dash is in good shape. We got a 3-pack of gauges underneath the dash. I mean, everything about this car is just looking absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, you heard me right earlier, it's got a 5-speed in it. It's got a Tremec in it. So you can get up on the expressway, drive this baby to the car show, take it to the movies, take it to the grocery store. Now, I'll give you a quick lesson here. When you see this tail panel here, this is 67. The 66s had the covers on the tail lights. That's how you tell the difference with a glance. We've got about 15 keys here. Inside the trunk, you always want to lift that up. Check underneath the mat. You can see that floor is looking beautiful. It's all nicely coated, solid as a rock. You can see all the paint work on the bottom side of the deck lid. And another thing, especially on GTOs, you got to check this lip right here. Make sure that's in good shape. That's one of the first things to go on these cars. That water used to hang underneath this chrome strip and sit there and rot that out. And they don't make a reproduction of that deck lid, so they're hard to find, guys. Look down that quarter panel there. Look the way the door fits the quarter panel. It's looking beautiful. The doors also fit in that front fender, looking sweet. I love the stance on the car. I love the Cragars on the car. Guys, give Tom a call anytime. He'll tell you all about this beautiful 67 GTO. It's 67 GTO time. Let's go. We got a 5-speed, we got a 400, we got a 4-barrel, we got a 67, man. Sounding amazing, driving just as smooth as can be. Tremec transmission is smooth as butter. I just love the sound of this car. Sounding amazing. Now, we can deliver this GTO anywhere in the world. You just call Tom. Tell you what, upshifting, downshifting, clutch feels good, the brakes feel good, the power steering feels good. And she just sounds amazing. Listen to this baby, man. We can help you out with financing too if you need help with financing. She's going straight down the road, no problem. Hitting the brakes with no hands on the wheel. Downshifting with no hands on the wheel. And just staying straight as an arrow. Of course, I got to turn left now. I can't turn left with no hands on the wheel. Haven't figured that one out yet. Now down here on the dash, everything's looking good too. That walnut's looking good. Speedo's working. The clock is going tick-tock, but I would not trust it to keep time. It's got the AM radio in it, so if you're one of those guys that needs to listen to the radio, you better get you one of those retro sound radios and put in here. We got the 3-pack of gauges under the dash. It's got everything there you need. I'll tell you what, the transmission just feels great. We got somebody here. Now everybody's being nice and courteous. Now there's gonna be an accident. Well, I'm gonna go anyway. We'll wave at the electrician. Listen to this thing. Just as smooth as can be. Now we're gonna take it back to the shop where we're gonna put it up on the lift like we do every car at Vanguard. And we're gonna show you just how nice the bottom of this car is. She is pretty. We've actually already shot the bottom video. She is pretty. Oh, nice turn signal. Of course, I never use my turn signals either. So we're coming up on the shop. Make sure you share this video with all your friends. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know. We get about 40 new cars in every month. We've always got cool stuff coming in, so stick with us, guys. All right, we're underneath this thing now, and man, is it pretty under here. As you can see, brand new gas tank, brand new 2.5-inch exhaust. The floorboards are all nicely painted. The frame is all nicely painted. I mean, it is clean as a whistle under here. We got brand new brake lines, and in here we got our 10-volt Pontiac rear end, right around a 355 gear, and it is posi. It's had disc brakes added to the back. Of course, brand new lines. We got air shocks here also. Looks like the springs are new also. All the bushings in the lower and upper control arms back here look like they're new. We got the extra braces here. We got a brand new drive shaft, still got the sticker on it. FlowMaster Mufflers, brake lines and fuel line going over here, all brand new. It's got a TKX transmission, that's a 5-speed Tremec. Stock appearing bell housing, stock appearing clutch linkage here. Clean as can be under here. Of course, disc brakes up front also. Ball joints look like they've been replaced. Sway bar bushings have been replaced. All the steering gear looks brand new. Gearbox has got brand new stickers on it too, so that's probably a rebuilt unit. Aluminum radiator, fan shroud on there. Chrome on the front bumper looks like it's brand new. Front frame horns, say that 3 times real quick. They're all nice and straight, looking clean. Wheel wells nice and clean. We got brand new Cragars and BFGs on here. And we've got 215, 65, 15s up front. As you look down the side, you see those rocker moldings shining, looking beautiful. That paint all looking sweet. Frames all painted up, looking good. Bottom side of the rockers all painted up. They've blacked it out so you don't have to look at it, but it is clean as can be, smooth as can be on the back side. Out back here, we got 245 60/15s. Again, brand new tires, brand new Cragars. Well, let's lower this baby down and look at that 400 under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got 400 cubic inches of Pontiac power, all looking sweet. Looks like we got an Edelbrock intake on there, all aluminum, looking good. We got power brakes, power steering. We got a PowerMaster alternator that's been all polished up, looking good. That's a Holley 4-barrel carb there. She's a dual feed, looks like electric choke. It is a double pumper. What a sweet setup there, man. We got valve covers are all chromed up, looking good. The inner wheelhouse is all looking good. We got AC Delco battery in here. That's a shut off, so you just spin that to the left to cut off the power. The firewall's all nice and clean. We got GM markings on the hoses. I mean, everything about this car is just about as sweet as can be. And this whole front core support area has been stripped down, painted nice, chassis black, looking sweet. Guys, give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.